Yeah, children. So coming to the compound interest, video 9, children. Video 9. Today we will discuss appreciation and depreciation. Continuously we will discuss appreciation some 10, 15 sums and depreciation some 10, 15 sums. 10, 10 sums. Appreciation 10, depreciation 10. First I will show appreciation. Appreciation means increasing. Okay, like the present population of a town is 28,000. The present population of the town is 28,000 and it increases at the rate of 2%. It increases at the rate of one second, children. It increases at the rate of 5%, children. It increases at the rate of 5% per annum. Okay, what will be the population after 2 years? Simple, children. Okay, come on, Pravalika. Vedant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Come on,
Amount
fast.
is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n.
Hmm.
Amount is equal to 28,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2. Amount is equal to 28,000 into 105 by 100 square, sir.
Sir, answer is 30,870.
30,000?
870.
Into 105 into 100 by 100 into 100, 0, 0 cut.
Yeah, 30,870 is the population. After 2 years. Is the population after 2 years. This will be the population after 2 years. Okay, at the rate of this increase after 2 years. Same it is increasing. Second sum. Pravalika, 10 appreciation, 10 depreciation will do. Pravalika, are you there? The population of city is 1 lakh
Yes, sir.
35,000. The population of the town is 1 lakh 35,000. Okay, if the annual birth rate and death rate are 5.5 and 3.5, birth rate is 5.5 and death rate is 3.5%. Okay, what will be the population after 3 years? Girl, how we should do, Nana? 5.5.
Sir, we should subtract 5.5.
Pravalika.
Sir,
Pravalika.
2.
Tell.
Sir, A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. A is equal to 1,25,000 into 1 plus 2 by 100 whole to the power of 3. A is equal to 1,25,000 into 1 or 2 by 100 whole to the power of 3. A is equal
Sir,
to 1,25,000 into 1 or 2 into 1 or 2 into 1 or 2 by 100 into 100 into 100.
Sir, the final answer is 30,050. Sorry, 1,30,050.
1,30,050 is
Sir,
population.
answer is 1,32,651, sir.
1 lakh.
32,000.
1,32,651. Yes. Why, Nandika, you are telling wrong?
Sorry, sir.
1,32,651 population after 3 years, including birth and death rate after taking out. Okay. Next, Nandix. All these are.
I got the correct answer only, sir. Last one.
The present population of the town is 25,000. The present population of the town is 25,000. Okay. It grows at the rate of 4, 5, 8. 4%, 5%, 8% in successive years. What will be the population after 3 years? Yes, Nandix.
We should calculate separately, sir. 1 plus R by 100. Amount is equal to P 25,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100. Yeah.
First year, second year, third year.
Third year. Yes, sir. 1,25,000 is equal to 104 by 100, 105 by 100, 108 by 100.
Okay. If you simplify this, you'll be getting answers after 3 years. 29,484. 29,484 people at this.
Yes, sir. 29,400.
Okay, sir. Now video rolling. Next, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 3 years ago, the population was 50,000. 3 years ago, the population is 50,000. Population is 50,000. Okay. If the annual increase during these 3 years is 4%, 5%, and 3%. Annual increase is 4%, 5%, and 3% annually. Okay. Find the present population. Yeah.
Sir, amount is equal to 50,000.
Yeah. Amount is equal
Sir,
to.
amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Sir,
Okay. Keep saying.
Sir, amount is equal to 50.
No, 50,000. No, no, no. 3 years ago, 50,000. He's asking present population. 3 years ago, 50,000. He's asking present means amount
Okay,
only.
sir.
1 plus.
Amount is equal to 58,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100 into 1 plus 3 by 100. Sir.
Okay.
Say amount is equal to 50,000 into 104, 100, 104 by 100 into 105 by 100 into 103 by 100.
Okay.
Sir, the final answer is 56,238.
56. Yeah, the present population is present population at this rate of increase. Next, Suju, are you there? Sujit?
Sir,
Next, see here, children, all of you. Some there is a continuous growth in the population of a village at the rate of 5% per annum. At the rate of 5% per annum. Okay, the present population is 9261. Present population is 9261. What was 3 years ago? 3 years ago. Present population they give. Present population means amount. Present population means amount. 3 years ago means principal. Sujit, can you say?
A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into N is
Okay.
equal to 9261 is equal to P into 1 plus 5 by 100 into 3 E into 105 by 100 into 3.
Okay. 9261 is equal to
9261 is
P.
equal to P
21 cube
into
by 20
20
cube.
cube.
9261 is equal to P into 21 cube is 9261 by 8000. This gone, this goes here. So 8000 was 8000 was population. Population 3
3
years
years ago.
3 years ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago 8000. Now after 3 years it became 9261. Okay, next. Next, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
In a factory, the production of scooters rate rose to 46305 from 4000. 4000 to it became 40,000 to it became 46305 in 3 years. Okay, find the rate. Find the rate. Yeah, this is principal. This
Principal
is
amount.
Keep saying.
Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. 46,305 is equals to 40,000 into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3. So 56,305 by 40,000 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3. Then cancellation. So for
Fives are
80.
5 nines, 5 twos, 5 six, 5
Six are
ones.
ones are yes sir.
9261
961 by 8000
is equal to 1
1
plus
plus R by 100 whole to the power 3
9261 by 8000 is 21 by 20.
20. Yes.
Whole cube is equal
Whole
to
cube
1
is equals
plus.
to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3.
Okay.
So cube cancels. 21 by 20 is equals to 1 plus R by 100. 20 by 21 by 20 minus 1 is equals to R by 100. 21 minus 20 by 20 is equals to R by 100. So 1 by 20 is equals to R by 100. 1 by 20 into 100 is equals to 5%. Yes, sir.
This will go here. So 100 by 20 is 5%. 5% at 5% rate of interest, 40,000 became 46,305 in 3 years. Next program.
Yes, sir.
The annual rate of growth in the population of certain city is 8%. Annual rate of the growth is. Okay. If the present population is 196,830, what will be 3 years ago? 3 years ago. So this is amount. This is principal. The present is this. 3 years
Yes, sir.
ago means principal.
Yes, sir. Sir, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. 1,96,830 is equals to P into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole cube. 196,830 is equals to P into 108 by 100 whole cube. 1,96,830 is equals to P into 51 50 27 by 25 whole cube. 1,96,830 in P into 27 into 27 into 27 divided by 25 into 25 into 25 into 25. 1,90,000 P is equals to 1,96,830 into 25 into 25 into 25 divided by 27 into 27 into 27 into 27.
So that turns out to be approximately, that turns out to be 156,250. This will go, and this and 0. 156,250. 156 yeah, 250. So 1,56,250 was population 3 years ago, which became 1,96,830 in 3 years at this rate of interest. Okay, next. Anu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Next. The population of town increases at the rate of 50 per thousand. 50 per thousand. To the population after 2 years. The population after 2 years is 22,050. What is present population? 50 per thousand. Good. So 50 per thousand means per 100 how
100.
much? Rate of interest is per 100. Interest
Yes,
means per 100. So cross multiplication 50 into 100 is equal to
Sir,
x
50 by
into
1000 తీసుకుంటే 0 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి 5% వచ్చేస్తుంది.
వస్తుంది నేను చూడగలను how you are getting it should show. So 5% is rate of interest. 50 for 1000 means for 100 how much? 5%. Okay. Now, so this is after 2 years. Present population. Can you say?
sir. Amount is equals to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. So principal into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to power 2
Hmm.
equals to p into 105 by 100 whole square. 22 p into 21 into 21 by into 20
Yeah, keep saying.
into 20. 21 into 21.
The
Sir, actually, I
present.
was calculating. So 2
So
to
it will become to
20,000.
20,000. It will
so
become
20.
20. So 2 years ago it was 20,000. 2 years ago
20,000.
it was 20,000. Okay. Next, Megha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please say. The count of bacteria in a culture grows by 10%. Bacteria grows by 10%. In the first hour, it grows. In the second hour, it decreases by 8%. It decreases in second hour. And in third hour, again it increases by 12%. In third hour, it increases by 12%. Okay, 12%. If the count of bacteria in the sample, originally the sample has 1312500. After 3 hours, means 1, 2, 3. After 3 hours, how much? Can you tell them?
Yes, sir.
Um,
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n.
okay.
Amount is equal to 135,125,000. into 1 plus 10 by 100 into 1 plus 8 by 100, 1 minus 8 by 100
Very good.
into 1 plus 12 by 100.
Fantastic. From here you say decreases means you should take minus. Yeah. Keep saying.
Amount is equal to 135,125,000 into 110 by 100 into 92 by 100 into 112 by 100.
Okay, so four zeros will go, and the amount after 3 years at this rate of increase and decrease is 148,764,000 bacteria. First hour increasing, second hour decreasing, third hour increasing. Okay, next, Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nana, can you tell this some? Did I miss anyone? Did all students tell Nana? Anyone like this? The population of certain city was 72,000. The population of certain city is 72,000. On the last day of the year 19, during the next year, it increased by 7%. Next year, it increased by 7. And due to epidemic, it decreased by 10% in next year. It decreased due to epidemic, it decreased by 10% next year. What is the population in 2 years? What is the population in 2 years? Yes, Nana, Antika.
Amount is equals to P into R by 100 whole to
Okay,
the power of n.
okay,
Amount is equals to 72,000 into 1 plus 7 by 100 into 1 minus 10 by 100.
okay,
So amount is equals to 72,000 into 107 by 100
okay.
into 190 by
100 minus 10, okay. So three zeros has gone and 1010. So 72 into 107 into 9. The population of the town, due to epidemic, all those things, everything, it becomes 69,336. 1,336. Ashrit, are you there? Ashrit? Okay, Ashrit is not there, children. So these are appreciation sums, children. Appreciation, some more are there, children. If it is possible, you do later, children. Now I will go some depreciation sums. Depreciation. Okay. First, depreciation sums. Vedant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, depreciation. The value of residential flat constructed at the cost of construction cost was 1 lakh construction is depreciating. It is depreciating at the rate of 10% per annum, depreciating, decreasing every year. What will be its value after 3 years? After 3 years,
So
what will
amount is equal to P into
be into?
1 minus R by 100 to the power
Yeah.
T.
Why minus? Because it
Because
is.
it is depreciating.
Yeah, keep saying.
1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh into 1 minus 10 by 100 to cube. Amount is equal to 1 lakh into 90 by 100 cube.
Okay.
1 lakh into 9 by 10 cube.
9 into 9 into 9.
9 by 10 into 10 into 10.
Okay.
1 lakh into 729 by
Uh,
1,
1 0 will be left
1
over.
0 will be there, sir. So 7290.
Is cost of 7 to 9 0 only. Yeah, one more zero.
So one more, sir, 1 lakh 10 you removed, sir.
Yeah, is 1 0. Yeah.
72,900 is the price.
So 72,900 is cost of flat after 3 years at 10% depreciation
Depreciation per annum.
per annum. Yeah. Yeah. Next sum. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Depreciation is decreased. Pravalika. Can you please say some second sum? A new car costs 33 lakh 60,000. New car costs 3 lakh 60,000 rupees. Okay, it price depreciates at the rate of 10% per annum during the first 2 years. In 2 years. In 2 years. Okay, and at the rate of 20% thereafter, and at the rate of 20% decrease thereafter. Thereafter. Okay, what will be the price after 3 years? After 3 years, what will be the price?
into 1 minus r by 100 whole to the power of n. A is equal to 3,60,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100 whole to the power of 2.
Next year is 20%. Keep saying.
3,60,000 into 90 by 100 whole to the power of 2 into 180 by 100.
Okay.
3,60,000 is equal into 90 into 80 by 100 into 100 into 100.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 36 into 9 into 9 into 8 into 10. So the cost of the car after 3 years,
33,280, sir.
23,000, 2 lakhs.
33,280.
No, 2 lakhs 33,280 rupees. It will be 2 lakhs 33,000. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs 33,280 rupees. It will be at the rate of this depreciation. 2 years 10%. From there onwards 20% depreciation. Okay, children. Next, Nandika, are you there? Nandika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Nandika, the present price of a scooter is the present price of the scooter is 7290 rupees. If its value decreases every year by 10%, it is depreciating. Every year by 10. Find its value before 3 years. Before 3 years, what was it cost? So this I will take it as amount. This I will take it as amount. What will be its value before 3 years?
Yes, sir. Amount is equal to principal into 1 minus r by 100
Okay.
to the power of n. Amount is equal, 7,290 is equal to p into 1 minus r. 10 by 100 whole cube. 7,290 is equal to 90 by 100 whole cube is equal to 9 by 10. 9 by 9 into 9 into 9 into 10 into 10 into 10.
Okay, 1000 into 10. So what will be 1000 into 10? 10,000 was its cost before 3 years.
Yes,
Before 3 years, its cost was 10,000. Okay. Next, Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, depreciation sums. Fourth sum, depreciation. So Mohan purchased a house at the rate of 30,000. Mohan purchased a house at the rate of 30,000 rupees. Okay, and its value is depreciating at the rate of 25%. Its value is depreciating at the rate of 25% per year. Find the value of the house after 3 years. After 3 years, what will be the value of the house?
Sir, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100.
No, minus. Yeah, keep saying.
Sir, 30,000 into
Okay,
30,000 into 1 minus 25 by 100 whole cubes.
okay,
The amount is equal to 30,000 into 75 by 100 whole cubes.
okay, 25,
So
25.
30,000 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 into 4, sir.
3 by 4 into 4 into 4. So the cost of the house after 3 years at this rate of depreciation will be okay. Okay,
12,656.25, sir.
okay.
Sir, 12,656.25.
1 second, Anna. Yeah, wait 1 second. I will say 50,000. No. Yeah, can anyone say what is the answer?
Sir, 12,656.25.
12,656.25
56.25.
rupees. Okay. Next, Sujit, are you there? Sujit, Sujit Babu.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The value of property increases every year. The value of property is increasing at the rate of every year at the rate of 5%. Increasing is increasing. Okay, if its value at the end of 3 years, after 3 years, its value is 411540. What is its original value? It is increasing. So tell normal sum analysis. Yes,
A
Sanju.
is equal to
Hmm.
P into 1 plus R by 100 into A is equal to P plus 5 by 100 into 3. 411540 is equal to P into 1 plus 105 by 100 into 3.
Okay. Keep saying.
P into 21 into 21 into 21 by 20 into 20 into 20.
This all goes here. 411540.
41540.
20 into 20 into 20. Keep saying, keep saying. 21 into
21 into 21 into 21.
So before 3 years it was 35,000 for 3 lakhs 55,503.72 paisa before 3 years at the rate of 5% increase. Today it is 4,11,540. Today value. Okay. Next, Rishikesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Get ready. Depreciation. One second. Asking. So children, next sum is there like this. What is the sum means? They are asking this. Okay. A freely purchased an old scooter at the rate of 60,000. At the rate of 60,000. He purchased the scooter. The cost of scooter after 2 years. After 2 years, the cost of the scooter became 14440. 14440. At what rate it depreciated? At what rate it depreciated?
So 14,450, sorry, is equals to P into 1 minus R by 100 is put to the power n. So 14,440 is equals to 16,000 minus 1 by R whole to the power 2. So 14,440 by 16,000 is equals to 1 minus R whole to the power 2. Um, okay. Shift. Yes, sir. 1,444 by 16 into 100 is equals to 1 minus R whole to the power 2. Uh, root 1 1,444 by 16 into 100 is equals to 1 minus R by 100.
60
Uh,
square root is 4.
4,
100 square root is
10.
10. 14 square root is, yeah, 42 or 40, 40
38.
38. 38 into 38.
Yes, sir. 38.
So
38.
30, no, 38, just 38, because 38 is
Yes, sir. Rooted.
1 minus
1 by 1 minus R by 100.
so 2 twos are 2
To
19s.
19 by 20 is equals to 1 minus R by 100.
This whole thing
Uh,
comes here, this whole thing comes here, r by 100 is
yes, sir.
equal to.
R by 100 is equals to 1 minus 19 by 20. So R by 100 is equals to 20 minus 19.
R by 100 is equal to 20
20 minus 19
by
by
20.
20
Okay.
is R by 100 is equals to 1 by 20. 100 by 20 is equals to R. So R
Then
is equals to 50. 5%
5%. 5% depreciation. 5% depreciation.
depreciation.
5% depreciation. Next, Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, last four sums, children. Okay. So Chirian purchased a boat. He purchased a boat at 16,000 and it is depreciating at the rate of 5% per annum. Calculate its value after 2 years.
Sir, amount is equals to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. 16,000 is equals, amount is equals 16,000 into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole square. Uh, Amount is equals to 16,000 into 95 by 100 whole square. Amount is equals to 16,000 into 95 into 95 divided by 100 into 100.
Okay. So After 2 years, at the rate of 5% depreciation,
Sir, it will become 14,440, sir.
14,440. Next. Anu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Yeah, Ashish started the business with initial investment of 5 lakhs. He started with initial investment of 5 lakhs. Ashish. Okay, in the first year, he incurred a loss of 4%. 4% loss. Okay, and however, during the second year, he earned a profit of 5%. He earned a profit of 5% in the business. Okay, which in third year rose to 10%. In third year, it became 10% profit increase. Okay, so calculate the net profit for the entire period of 3 years. For 3 years, for 3 years, let's find out amount. Then we will find out profit. Profit means amount minus principal. Yeah, we have to find out profit also, children. Profit means amount minus principal. Let's find out amount. None at all.
Sir, amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R by 100.
Okay.
Amount is not okay. 5 lakhs into 1 plus 1 minus 4 by 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100 into
Profit. Profit means plus. Loss means minus. Yeah.
okay. Sir. 5 lakhs into 196 by 100 into 105 by 100 into 110 by 100.
10 by 100. So 1 0 gone. 5 zeros gone. So amount is equal to 5 into
5
96.
into 96 into 105 into 11.
Can anyone help me? 55 into 96 into 105. How much? Can anyone help me? 55 into 96 into 105. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
51,975.
No, sir, 55,444. 55,004.
Yes, sir. 5 lakhs
5
54,200.
lakhs 54,400.
Yeah, so he invested 5 lakhs, he got 5 lakhs 54,400. Now, what is the profit, Anum?
Sir, amount minus principal.
So, amount is how much?
5
5
lakh
lakh.
54,000 minus 5 lakhs.
So, how much
Sir,
profit he got?
54,000.
54,400
54,400.
is profit. This is the 54,400 is the profit. Yeah, next. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please say. Nice. The cost of TV set was quoted as 17,000. The cost of TV is 17,000 rupees. Okay. At the beginning of 19, in the beginning, 2,000 the price was hiked by. The first year, the price was hiked by 5% in the first year. Because of the decrease in demand, the cost was reduced by 4% in the second year. Cost was reduced by 4% in the second year. What is the cost after 2 years? Well, tell.
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100.
In the first
17,000 into 1 plus
first year, 1
1
plus
plus 5 by 100
second year.
into 1 minus 4 by 100.
Okay.
Amount is equal to 17,000 into 105 by 100
Okay.
into 96 by 100.
Okay. So it became
17,000.
it
The
will
amount is
become
equal to 17,136.
136 rupees after 2 years. So 136 rupees increase was there after 2 years. Okay, Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, children, last sum for the day, children. The value of refrigerator which was purchased 2 years ago, depreciates at the rate of 12%. 12% depreciation is there. 12% depreciation. If the present value is 9680, present value is 9680, 9680. How much was it purchased? Original value. Original value. What is when we present value? What is original value?
Uh, uh,
Present value is amount. Original value is principal.
amount is equals 9,680 is equal amount is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of n. 9,680 is equals to p into 1 minus 12 by 100. 9,680 is equals to p into 88 by 100 whole square.
Okay, send this up, send this down. You keep saying. So 2 years ago, its cost was originally
12,500, sir.
12,500 was cost 2 years ago. Like this, you have to do different sums, children. So many sums are there, children. Still, okay, you have to practice like this, children. So I appreciation, depreciation. I hope you understood how to do, children. So thank you so much, children.